Which of the following is wrongly matched in the given table? First, we have the Trichoderma polysporum, and the product produced is cyclosporin A, which is true, and its application is as an immunosuppressive drug, and it is used primarily in organ transplantation. So that means the first option correctly matches. Coming to second one, Monascus purpureus. Yes, they are a type of red yeast which is used to produce statins, which is used for lowering bad cholesterol. That is also true and matches. C. Streptococcus. The bacteria Streptococcus produces the product is streptokinase, which is an enzyme which remove a clot from blood vessel, that is dissolving the blood clots, that is thrombolytic therapy. So that means the third one is also matching. Now finally we have Clostridium butylicum, and it is given that the product produced is lipase, which is used for the removal of oil stain. Yes, lipase is used for the removal of oil stain, but Clostridium butylicum is known for producing butyric acid, and this is involved in anaerobic fermentation, and it is not used for producing lipase. Lipase is an enzyme that breaks down fats and oil, and they are produced by other microbes like Aspergillus, Candida, and Pseudomonas, not Clostridium butylicum. So that means here the final option D is incorrectly matched. The correct answer will be option D.